So the book I chose from the International Books website was The Wordsmith by Patricia Ford. I think this book is a good book for like middle school age kids to read because there's a lot of stuff that happens in the book that probably wouldn't be very appropriate for younger children to read unless like their parents okay it. 'Cause like nothing too like gruely, I guess, but some things are very interesting in it. I think this is a good book to have like readers know, like students like know it's like maybe like the fantasy genre because it's sort of interesting to see like a different point of view and sort of like what make like how others can use their imagination. Patricia sort of puts this book into like the future, and so that gives the kids a way to think about what just happens or that what could happen in the future, which is really cool. And it makes them think maybe what could happen or what couldn't happen. This book, even though it's like made for kids, I definitely enjoyed reading it. It kept me on my toes, so like I know the kids who would ever read this wouldn't get bored with it because there's a lot of stuff that happens, a lot of action. Yeah.